2003 and 2004, the deforestation rate for the Amazon, the world's largest tropical forest, was the second highest ever recorded. An area of over 26,130 square kilometers, around the size of Belgium, the country, was destroyed, most of it illegally in Indonesia. It is estimated that about 90% of logging is illegal. In the Brazilian Amazon, it is estimated that 60% to 80% of logging is illegal. The Cameroon, 50% of logging between 1999 and 2004 is estimated to have been illegal. According to the FAO, Nigeria has the world's largest and highest deforestation rate of primary forests. It has lost more than half its primary forests in the last 5 years. The causes cited are logging and other industries. Almost 90% of West Africa's rainforests have been destroyed.